Hello and good afternoon from the heart of Delhi. It's a bright sunny day in the national capital, and what makes it even bilaterally brighter is US Vice President JD Vance's visit to India along with his family. This morning, they arrived at Palam Air Base in New Delhi, where they were welcomed by Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnav. JD Vance is accompanied by his family, and what caught everyone's attention this morning right after they landed is not JD Vance, is not Usha Vance, but their three beautiful kids, Mirabel, Ivan and Vivek, who were dressed beautifully in Indian attire. Let me tell you that Usha Vance is an Indian American woman who has Indian descent, and their kids are now experiencing their maternal side of family. Talking about JD Vance's schedule in India, he will be staying in India from April 21st to April 24th. On April 21st, which is today, he will be in the national capital. First, he is going to visit Akshardham Temple, where he will take blessings for himself and his family. Then tonight is going to be a meeting with Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi and other Indian delegations. This meeting holds a lot of significance for India-US relations. Why? Especially because Donald Trump announced 26% tariff on Indian goods. It was an aggressive one, though he announced tariff on different countries. And since then, a trade war has erupted. And in tonight's meeting, JD Vance, along with a Pentagon and State Department representatives, will be having a discussion with Indian delegations. According to reports, the Indian side includes External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar, Ajit Doval and US representative to India. This meeting is gonna cover a lot of topics. For example, immigration. If we talk about immigration, this year only, United States deported many Indian illegal immigrants, which they called to India. We saw the visuals coming in when they arrived in Delhi, Gujarat, and different parts of the country. Second, trade, of course, is going to be one of the most important parts of discussions. It's buzzing everywhere that US Vice President JD Vance is going to have trade discussions and bilateral pact discussions with Indian delegations. Let me tell you that China is keeping a very close eye on JD Vance's India visit. This morning only, I saw memes flooding on Chinese news channels and Chinese social media platforms where they are mocking JD Vance's India visit, because they also know that India is a very important part in the Indo-Pacific region, and US is trying to build a good relations with India, though they have imposed tariffs on us, because US has imposed 145% tariff on Chinese goods, and in response, China has imposed 125% tariff on US goods. So this trade war and this visit of JD Vance in India holds a lot of significance. This is not first time that Prime Minister Modi will be meeting JD Vance. He met JD Vance in Paris in AI Action Summit. He also visited to Washington, D.C. on February 13, 2025, where he met US President Donald Trump. And they also held joint press conferences where they were asked fiery questions from both Indian and American journalists. So what big announcements are going to be made from this visit? What changes are going to be done? And what positivity this visit of US Vice President brings for both India and the United States is all we are going to keep an eye on. We are reporting live throughout the day, and we are covering all the steps which JD Vance is taking in India. So keep on watching One India News.
Subscribe to One India and never miss an update.